Hi everybody, my name is Simon. I'm a motion designer, 3D motion designer. So today I'm going to drop my first add-on. I call it Easy Typography. I'm making a lot of add-ons for Blender so as to help designer or motion designer to gain better workflow. So my Easy Typography, it's my first add-on. Easy Typography is so simple. It's a 3D text tool so that you can use it so as to make a 3D text. Okay, with a little bit features that help us to achieve our work in less time. Come on, everybody know that getting the job done in less time in our work, it's the best prize that you can get. So I'm trying to make it easy for everyone so as to can so that they can use it. And today I'm going to teach you how to use it. I hope that you can follow me because in this next months I will drop a lot of add-ons so as to help motion designers so as to achieve a good quality work. And there will be a few for free, and there will be a few for a less or a few money. You have to few boxes you have to okay, so without further ado, let's jump to the Blender so as to give you an overview about my add-on. So my add-on is so simple. Okay, first of all, after you install it, and I hope that everyone know how to install add-ons. It's so simple. If you don't know, go to the YouTube and you can find a lot of uh, uh, tutorial about how to install add-ons. So after we opening our add-ons, this is our add-ons, this is the interface. We have a user manual. You can check this and read all this and understand what easy typography is all about. And also you have this button, also the same. Okay, we have the text empty field. So you can type anything you want. Let's say easy typo. Let's say this. After that, you can hit enter or you can hit make 3D. After you make it 3D, this is it in the viewport. Okay, what's the feature inside our add-on? The feature is so simple. So the first one is we have spacing, so you can make the space between the letter bigger or normal or a fewer. Also, we have the left, the origin for the left, for the right, and the center. Let's go to the other feature in this shape control. So we have the extrude. You can extrude it or one like this. I give it a field or a range for 1 meter, and I think this is enough for text. You don't need to make it bigger than this. Okay. Also, we have bevel. We can bevel it, as you can see. There's some artifact that after you going beyond the normal one, you can make it like this. Okay, we have chamfered and round. Also, we have bevel segments. We can see this by going to wireframe mode. And as you can see, if I say bevel segment, I'm adding a segment for the bevel edges. Okay. Also, we can use the color, whatever the color that we want. Okay. Also, we have the detail, topography detail. This increases the detail of if you need a very high resolution one. Okay. As I said before, no need to very detailed review about it because it's simple. It's you can read every single parameter and you already understand what it does. So this is all about the easy to simple and easy add-on for you. To find it useful, you can find the download link in the description. Also, if you find it useful for you, you can give me a feedback in the comments. See you soon.